So you're open all day, every day?
That's what 24/7 means, sugar.
Kind of like how you get 24/7 access to licensed agents with Geico. Yeah, you just go online, give them a call anytime.
You don't say.
Yep. Now, what will it take to get 24/7 access to that lemon meringue pie?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 9 miles west of Cicero, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Oak Park, Berwyn, Forest Park, Maywood, Brookfield, and Riverside. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 292 and 294, Interstate 90 between mile markers 50 and 54, Interstate 94 between mile markers 50 and 54, Interstate 290 between mile markers 21 and 29, Interstate 294 between mile markers 50 and 54. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.